Which cat fits your personality? Part 1. The Explorer. Love energy, adventure, and fun? This might be your cat. If you are someone who loves trying new things, staying active, you are what I call the explorer in personality terms. You are high in openness and extroversion, curious, energetic, always ready to play. The best cats for you are active and smart, Bengal, athletic, super curious, Abyssinian, playful and energetic, Savannah, bold, adventurous, love stimulation. These cats match your fast energy. They need toys, calming spaces, and lots of action. Comment your energy plus your cat below. Let's see if they match. Follow for part 2, the calm, sweet personality match.